Hello. Today I will be talking to you about digital note taking. To access our digital resources, you can go to Launchpad and select the Library Resources folder. Today we will be using the Gale resources, which have a great feature embedded in them, which allows you to digitally take notes. Once you select the article that you are looking to use for your research, today I'm going to use climate change as my topic. And I'm going to select an article just like you would. Um, right now, the climate change order of 2020. I'm going to go into the full article. It's being a little slow today. You'll notice up at the top that I have some options as to how I can utilize this article. I can print it, which is not what I recommend. I can save it in my Google Drive. I can download it. I can save it to the cloud. The Google Drive option is your best option. As you're reading the article, you'll see that you have a full article available. I'm just going to use a couple of examples here. Let's say I wanted to utilize this sentence right here. I highlight it and I can choose the color I want. So I want to use this color right here, and I want to add this info to my introduction. Whatever notes you want to take, you can save those notes. You can then highlight something else, and you can color code that. Look up for more information and save it. I'm going to show you one more. We're going to say here to use this in conclusion. So as you can see, I've put in several things that I've taken notes on. I'm going to go ahead now and save this into my Google Drive. I'm going to choose the Google Drive I want it to go into because, as you know, sometimes you have more than one option. And I'm going to press OK. When you get into your Google Drive, you'll notice that all the digital resources that we have available in our Library Resources tab do save the information in an orange folder. We saved ours in Gale One File News, and there's our climate change article right there. You can open it up and you'll see that it saved the full article. It saved your highlighting, and then at the very bottom, it saves, there's a lot of pages here, guys. Let me scroll down. At the very bottom, it's going to give you all of your notes. Oh, wow, there's a very lot of saves, a lot of pages on this one. At the very bottom, it will show you all of your highlighted passages and the notes that you took for them. I'd also like to point out that it saves your source citation for you. So everything is a one-stop shop. It's organized in your Google Drive, and you don't have to worry about printing it. You don't have to worry about how you accessed it, where you found it, how to get back to it. You have it all saved right there in your Google Drive to access again and to utilize features like your source citation at the end of your project before you turn it in. Hope that helps you out, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.